How to fix Windows 10 lagging problem. Let's get started. Click on the start icon. Now click on this option of settings, open it. Now over here you will find different options. Go to this option of privacy, open it. At the left corner you will find different options. Head towards the option of general, open it. Now you have to toggle off for all these options. Likewise, go to the option speech and toggle off for that option. Head towards the option diagnostic and feedback and toggle off for that option. Now go to the option location and toggle off for that option. Head towards the option camera and toggle off for that option as well. Leave the option microphone and voice activation enabled and then head towards the option of notifications. Disable that option. Likewise, heading towards other options below notifications, you have to toggle off for all these options, and after you do that your problem will be fixed. I hope now you guys are clear about how to fix Windows 10 lagging problem. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.